so I had to move my person. But at least I just got on yellow. It was just a little warning. It was just a warning. I didn't lose any of my recess. And of course I went because it was past recess. It's about time to leave.
Carson. Psst, psst, psst.
Where is Mason?
Does nobody have any smiles today? There's one. Heidi. Mason. Did you drink my drink?
No.
Tell the truth. Did you drink my drink? Go on outside. Go on outside.
Madison, I've been in my pajamas all day. What? I've been in my pajamas all day. I know. Mama, we got 2 movies from Blockbuster. One called Joey, I've never seen it before. And one called
Oh, yuck. Bye-bye. Boys. Kale and Carson. Bye-bye. Whoa, there goes Carson.